In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to n8n. We're going to set up a simple trigger so that every time someone submits a Facebook lead ad form, your n8n workflow is ready to catch it and process it. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your n8n instance and that your Facebook profile has the right permissions for the page and the lead forms you want to use. Start by opening your n8n. This can be your self-hosted instance or the cloud version. Once you're on the dashboard, take a second to confirm you're logged into the right workspace. If you manage multiple environments, it helps to glance at the URL or the workspace name so you don't accidentally build in the wrong place. Next, create a workflow. Click to add a new workflow and give it a clear, descriptive name, something like Facebook Leads Intake. Naming it well now will make it easier to find and maintain later. You'll see an empty canvas with the start marker and the node panel on the left. Save right away so you don't lose anything as you go. Now add and search for Facebook. Click Add Node, and in the search bar type Facebook. From the results, choose the Facebook Lead Ads Trigger node. This is the node designed to listen for new lead submissions directly from your Facebook lead forms. Drop it onto the canvas and select it to open its settings on the right. Then add your credential and select the event. In the Credentials section, create a new credential if you haven't connected Facebook before. You'll be guided through Facebook's sign-in and permission screens. Approve the requested access so n8n can read leads for the pages you manage. If you don't see the right page or form later, it usually means your profile doesn't have the correct page role or the leads permission hasn't been granted. Back in the node settings, pick the Facebook page you're collecting leads for, then choose the specific lead form you want to listen to. Under Event, select the option that corresponds to new leads, typically new lead or page lead, depending on the node's wording. This tells n8n to trigger the workflow the moment a form submission comes in. Give the node a helpful name, like Facebook Lead Trigger, and save your workflow again. That's it. You've connected Facebook lead ads to n8n and configured the trigger. From here, you can build whatever comes next, store the data, send notifications, or enrich the lead, knowing your workflow will fire as soon as a new lead is captured.